to our practice video for Campfire Night. Now, Campfire Night has a couple things I'd like to remind you about before we practice it. We have some half notes. Remember where we have to go hold it and hold our bow for 2 full beats. We also have to make sure that we are not getting lost and making sure we're changing our fingers correctly each time there is a note change. First, we're going to go through the melody this first time through, and then I will go through the harmony the next time through, and then at the end of this video, we will play it a third time with me doing some accompaniment. Okay, let's get ready to play the melody. If you could double check your body balance and get into playing position, tall head, tall spine, and double check how your bow hold movement is doing today, and make sure it's got a curved pinky and a bent thumb. Let's get ready to play the melody of Campfire Night. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. That was the melody of Campfire Night. Let's now go on to the harmony. There is bow on this. You're using your bow, so let's get ready to play it. Here we go. Check that body balance. Nice bow hold llama. And let's start at the beginning of the harmony. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Fantastic. This time, I'm going to start playing the accompaniment. You can play the melody or the harmony, and this will get you ready for a repetition video where you can do it however many times in a row that you'd like. Here we go. Bow on the string, check your body balance, and let's play Campfire Night. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, you can practice this video again or go on to our repetition video. Good luck with Campfire Night.